I'm Abdul Ghaffar. Once again, I came here on the demand of my student. A short trick. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find out with the short tricks of cube root, square root, and the decimal of square root. But before of this, to finding the short trick of cube root, every student must know the cube of 1 to 10. So 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Finding the cube root with a short trick, just 3 count as 1 because it is a cube root. 3 digit count as 1 and here 1 digit. So make a pair 3 count as 1. Just look at the last digit 4. So when you are doing 4 cube, they end with 4. And this 2 is lies in between 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So 2 lies in between 1 and 8. So the least number we have to taken here 1. So the next example of this one, 3 number as 1, 3 digit count as 1, and this is pair is 24 is as another pair. So here 9, when you do 9 cube, n is 9 here, and 24 lies in between 8 and 7. So the least number is 2, 29, and same as 3 count as 1 and here. So when you do 2 cube and it is 8 here, 5 lies in between 1 and 8, so 1. Hope the boys you can easily understand how to find out the cube root by the short trick. This trick is work out only if it is end the last digit is 5 only. For example, 15 into 15. This 5 into 5 is 25. This 1, after 1 next number is 2. 1 into 2, 2. Finish. Answer is 225. If I am 35 into 35, 5 5s are 25. After 3, 4. Multiply it 3 into 4, 12. 65 into 65, 5 5 is 25. After 6, 7. The product of 6 into 7, 6 7 is 42. So this trick work out only if the end the digit is 5 only. This short trick for how to find out the square root. Before of this, same as it is, we should know 2 to 10 square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So here we have to finding the square root. That's why 2 digit count as 1. Make one pair 2 digit here and here is single digit. Okay. So here 6 and is here 6. So 6 will become either 4 4 is 16 and 6 6 is 36. So the answer end may be either 4 or 6. And here look at this single digit is 5. So 5 lies in between 4 and 9. So that we have to take in the least number, so 2 here. Surely here 2 will be there. So 24, our answer is either 24 or 26. So how we know the answer is, which is we have to choose either 24 or 26. After 2, next step, just next number multiply. 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So 5 is lesser than 6. So this is a smaller number. So we have to choose the smaller number. 24 is the square root of another example. Look here again, 2 digit count as 1 pair, another 2 digit because we are doing a square root. Here end is 5. So look here, 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So here 2 digit. Either our answer is end with 1 or 9. Now look here, 82. 82 lies in between here 81 in here 100. 82 lies in between this. So least number is 9. So sure here 9 will be there. Now we have to confuse whether it will be the answer is 91 or 99. So same method, after 9 just next number is 9, next is 10. 9 tens are 90. Look at this, 90 is greater than 82. So 82 is smaller than 90. So we have to choose a smaller number, 91. The square root of 8281 is 91. So look here again, this pair and this pair. the last end is here 5, so there is 5 is alone, it is end with 5 only. So here no more confusion, 500% it is end with the answer is 5. Look here 156. So when you do square 11 play on 121, 12 into 12 144, 13 into 13 169. So 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. It lies in between 144 and 169. So the least number is 12. So the square root of 15,625 is 125. Trick to finding the approximate answer which is not a perfect square root. Look here 23. 23 surely it is not a perfect square root. So nearest is 25. 25 minus 2 is 23. Square root of 25 is 5 minus 2. Double of this number is 10. So 5 minus 2 by 10 is 0.2. 5 minus 0.2 is 4.8. Approximate your answer. Look, same as 27. Just 25 plus 2. Square root of 25, 5. 5 plus 2 by 10. 5 plus 2 by 10 is 0.2. 5.2 is the answer of approximately root 27. Now another example. See, surely 39 is not a perfect square root, so split the number in such a way one should be a perfect square root, and depending upon the number we have to add and subtract. So 36 plus 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. Square root of 36 is 6 plus 3 divided double of this number 12. So 3 ones 3 4. 6 plus 0.25. 6.25 approximate answer of root 39. Same as 127. 11 into 11 121. 121 plus 6. Square root of 121 is 11 plus 6 by double of 11 is 22. 2 3s are 6 to 11. 11 plus 3 by 11 means 0.27. So 11.27 is approximate answer of root 127. Hope boys you understood the concept and short trick of cube root, square root and decimal of which is not a perfect square root. This knowledge is help for the class 8 square and square root, cube and cube root, and 9th class, especially in Heron's formula, it will help you, which is not a perfect square root, and in class 10th is also used as a cube root and square root by the short trick. So hope the boys this you can understood and implement in your academic side. Until then, bye, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and share on Facebook. And you know very well my Facebook page is Easy Maths. Thank you. Bye.